back with another vlog, and it's another concert vlog because I'm going to make some noise in Manchester today. So I'm going to see Brook and Mikey and Angels and Bandits again, and yeah, I'm so excited. Kind of nervous, like more nervous than last week, and I don't know why, but yeah, I'm going to meet Heather as well. So yeah, and yeah, I'll just do a fit check. So my Angels and Bandits like hoodie, merch, and some like joggers. I think they're from like Pink, so Victoria's Secret. I like camo, so they match my trousers, but they're not like the subtle camo, so they're cool. Yeah, I'm so excited, but I'm nervous. And also, I need to get Brook to follow me on Instagram, so hopefully that'll work this time, because he didn't follow me again, so. Anyway, I'll see you at the venue. Don't know what I'm recording. Sorry if it's a mess.
Vlogging. How are we doing? You all alright? Yeah! How mental is this? We're back on tour! But on a level, how mental is it? Like, it is crazy to see all of you again. I never thought this would happen. And we all survived. Give it up for yourselves, you all survived. What an amazing time. I love being in Manchester. I do. I love it. It's great. You're all looking amazing. How are you all doing? You good? Yeah. You excited to see the act? No. We've got one no. To the record. That's the first. We got some amazing talent on show for you all today, and thank you all so much for coming out. To the parents as well. Big love to you all. Woo! Yes, go on. Yeah, have as much fun. Thank you for coming out. I know there's risks and stuff with COVID. I'm not going to beat around the bush. Probably shouldn't say it, but there are. So big love to every single one of you for coming out. Just everyone stay safe, be happy, buy me a pint after, and have a great time. Alright? Have a great time. So who's ready to hear the talent we have on show? So first and foremost, we have Lockdown. We have Rebel. We have any guesses? Any guesses? We have Jamie, hiron. We have Angels and Bandits. We have Bronnie. And we have a lad. All the way from Essex/Kent, from the world famous boy band Road Trip TV, it's Brooklyn One! But you guys have to go as crazy now as you did at the start, alright? You've got to go crazy for everyone. The same amount, you've got to sing the songs, you've got to go bananas, do whatever. Bananas, so for sure. You've got to have as much fun as you possibly can, because you haven't done this for a year and a half. A year and a half, okay? So give it up for the first act. It is Lockdown!
We are Lockdown. My name is Sean. I call you 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. I can win. The fingers from my head is on my mind. I know it's been a minute since you walked right through that door, but I still think about you all the time. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna make it out. I don't know. What did he shout? Fuck you, gotta say. I'm lonely as. Come hold me. It's been me, myself, and why did you go? I'm lonely, I still watch the shows you showed me, I still drink the wine. But these days it tastes more bitter than sweet. And all my friends are way too drunk to save me from my phone. So sorry if I say some things I mean. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna make it out. I don't know, now you wanna say it. I'm lonely as. Come hold me, it's been me, myself, and why did you go? over, spent all night just trying to get. That was June and now it's October. I don't want the one to get. I miss those nights when you would come over, spend all night just trying to get closer. That was June and now it's October. I don't want the one to get over you. How are we feeling, Manchester? I'm lonely, I'm lonely, I'm lonely, yes. Come hold me, come hold me, come hold me. It's been me, myself, and why did you go, did you go?
I said, are you feeling it? I can't believe we get to do that again, it's been so long. Are you feeling it? No, I don't want it, I don't want it. It's worth a shot, mate, you never know. Yeah, lockdown, how good are they? So, I know a lot of you guys like boy bands. Do you like boy bands? You started that, well done, thank you. You saved me blushes there. Obviously, we all love boy bands, I love boy bands. I was a big fan of JLS growing up. Oh, aren't they good though? You're seeing them sing? They're back on tour. They're back on tour. And so are we soon. Alright, keep an eye on that as well. Promote other tours here. But you guys have to go absolutely crazy for the next act. Okay, it's their first ever show. I didn't get one reaction. It's their first ever show! Now these guys are properly excited. They're very talented and they're really lovely guys as well. They're going to be singing songs that you know, so you gotta go mental. I'm chatting like road trip TV level of mental. There it is. Put your hands together, give it up for the three of them. It is Rebel!
Let's go!
One day when I came home at lunchtime, I heard a button. Went out to the backyard to find out if it was one of those pretty boys. The neighbor from here, and a blood girl back there. He told me he made a time machine like wanting to film a scene. Yeah, he said I've been to the year 3000. Now that's just changed, but they live underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is pretty fine, she's pretty fine. You took me to the future in the flexing, and I saw everything pointless. And another one, and another one, and another one. She moved at the babies from the countdown. Totally naked, we drove around in exile. She like wanted a film I've seen. Now that you changed, but they live underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is pretty fine, she's pretty fine. I took a trip to the year 3000. This song had gone multi-platinum. Everybody bought us 7,000. This song had gone multi-platinum. Everybody bought us 7,000. We go around in a time machine like wanting a film I've seen. Said I've been to the year 3000. Living like there's only me. But now I spend my time thinking about a way to get you off my mind. I used to be so tough, never really gave enough. And then you caught my eye, giving me the feeling of a lightning strike. Look at me now, I'm falling, can't even talk, still stuttering. This grind of mine keeps shaking, Now, I don't wanna be all I ever wanna be, yeah, it's somebody to you. I don't wanna be all I ever wanna be, yeah, it's somebody to you. Everybody's trying to be a millionaire, but every time I look at you, I just don't care. All I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, yeah, is somebody to you. I used to ride around, didn't want to sit around. Now I wake each day looking for a way that I can see your name. I got your photograph, but baby I need more than that. I need to know your list, nothing ever mattered to me more than this. Look at me now, I'm falling, can't even talk, still stuttering. This ground of mine keeps shaking. At the end of the day, now I'm under the stars alone cause you wouldn't stay. And I'm feeling so stupid for all the time that I gave. But I won't ever regret all the memories we made. Don't wanna sacrifice all that we are. Ooh, baby, I just want you back. Cause you were mine for the summer, now it's nearly over and I don't know what to do. Knew it wouldn't last forever, but now we're not together and I can't get over you. I woke up in the morning, can't get you off my mind. Cause the thought I could lose you, it leaves me terrified.
There's a 25-year-old mug stood on stage right now. Are you 25? You're not a mug. You're great. Let's go. I want to find out which side of this room is loudest. I did it in London, and it went down terribly, to be honest with you. Everyone was like, woo!
We did good.
Go with the act.
We were loud.
Okay, I'm going to cut you directly down the middle. Not physically. Don't worry. Not down there. Down there. So you're on the right, you're on the left. I'm going to start at the right. You've got to make as much noise as you possibly can. Are you ready? And again, count you in. 1, 2, 3! Okay, right side. That was okay. Left side, are you ready? You're going to match you or you're going to do better? Better. We've got one better. We've got some better. Hurry up. You ready? 1, 2, 3! Left side 1. And mums and dads at the back! Yeah, that's so much better than London. We got 5 this time. That goes to show, doesn't it? We got one dad in London, so thank you guys. Really appreciate that. Now we have another amazing act up for you. Oh, said that wrong. We have an amazing act up for you. Okay, so this guy I've been working with for about a year. So he is hands down one of the most talented people that I've ever worked with. He is unbelievable. There is not one song that he cannot sing, and I genuinely mean that. Anything he can sing, it's amazing. So I want you to put your hands together. I want you to go absolutely crazy, sing every single word to the songs that you know, and give it up for the one, the only. Who is it? Who is it? It's hiron!
How are we feeling, guys? How are we feeling? I've been listening backstage and you guys are absolutely smashing it. You're absolutely smashing it. Right, I'm going to sing a few songs for you tonight. The first one, I want you to all sing along as loud as you possibly can, okay? I'm going to be doing Olivia Rodrigo, Good For You.
Took a couple weeks. Remember when you said that you wanted to give me the world? Good for you, I guess that you've been working on yourself. I guess the therapy I found for you, she really helped. You can be a better man for your brand new girl. Let's go!
maybe I'm too emotional, or maybe you never get at all. Good for you, you got me in healthy, not me. If you ever get to ask, for you, you're doing great, I guess without me, baby. You know we've fallen in and out of love. You know our hearts are broken more than once. I'm at the point where I say enough. Well, love ain't a backseat on a borrow. You will find something to drown your sorrows. You wanna leave, you don't have to ask, just leave and pack your bags. Take the chance. Find us at the bottom of your bottle. You'll find me. What did you think of him?
So, mate, what do you reckon you'll be releasing a couple of tunes then?
Definitely going to be releasing the two that I've done.
Yeah.
The two that I've done. Over the next maybe month or two, they will both be released. But hopefully the next one
Are you going to stream them? I said, are you going to stream them? Are you going to tell your mates about them as well? Because that's really good publicity. Word of mouth goes a long way. Yeah, it does. They know. I'm really proud of you, mate. Honestly, like, we worked together. I'm like double his age, and I'm half his height. I'm really proud of Jamie. He's come a long, long way. We've had a really tough year since working together. Nothing, I promise you, even the first show, nothing worked in our favour. But what's the one word that you... I hear an alarm. Oh, we did? We have another one, we're panicked, we're fine for now. What's the one word that you want to say to this amazing crowd here in Manchester?
Only one word.
That was way more than one word.
Unreal.
Unreal Manchester! Give it up for one more time for Jamie Hiron! I'm so proud of Jamie. I'm so...
Oh, Mikey, here's your bestie.
Nice. Oh, probably shouldn't have said that. He wanted a man. Loads of water for everyone. No, on a level, I know I said it at the beginning, and I know I like to have a laugh, and we all like to have a bit of a laugh here, but I just want to say a massive, massive thank you to every single one of you here today, from the bottom of my heart. The last year and a half, for ourselves, for you, for everyone, it's been the hardest year that any of us have ever experienced, I'm sure. And the fact that you've still supported us and you've been so amazing through the ups, the downs, the highs and lows, and the piccolos, we really, really are grateful. So thank you so much for everything. Manchester, give yourself a massive round of applause. You're great, Manchester. So, we have another act for you. Okay, there's not four of them. How many are there? 5. We got a hand signal, we got the actual word. There's 5 of them, and you have to go absolutely crazy. So these guys will put on the best dancing performance you've ever seen. It will beat me and Brooke doing Bye 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 last week. I can promise you that. I want you to put your hands together. I want you to go absolutely B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas. Alright? Put your hands together for Angels and Bandits!
Brothers wanna break me down, I can't bear it. My heavy is the head with a crown, I still wear it.
My head toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feel? Feeling good. My head toss, check my nails.
Check it.
Baby, how you feel? Feeling good.
Cause your body wanna move, you know. All tight, just loosen up. My daddy with that juice, you know. Sipping on the black goose, you feeling now.
So they say, dance to me, dance to me, dance to me, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. Every day,
Bust down, yeah, she get the bust down.
you got it, girl, you got it, girl.
10-10, man, hit a touchdown.
You got it, girl, you got it, girl.
Chanel up on your feet and I adore it. I like when you feeling so important, feeling so important.
I'm sitting with this love hangover, and boy, it's hurting my heart. I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Oh no, there you go, making me a liar. Got me begging you for more. Oh no, there I go, starting up a fire. Oh no, no, no.
Show 'em, baby, how you flexing, make it shake. You look back and pretty big, girl, I'm trying to get phased. I'm just walking with a man, them on the stage. Keep you bucking with a snake, but I'm really losing bait.
How do you sleep when lying to me? All that fear and all that pressure. I'm hoping that my love will keep you up tonight. I can't get used to this. The way we talk, the way we kiss, I can't get used to. I got your heart and there we go.
No,
Just 'cause you need me, don't mean it's easy.
more easy.
And if you wanna take it to my heart,
Yeah, dude.
then please me. I'm not that easy. And it's
Hey, I was like Roger. You a bad beat like Cardi. I'm a legend from Marley. Could you be loved by Marley? I was like Roger. You a bad beat like Cardi. I'm a legend from Marley. Could you be loved by Marley? Yeah, life is a mission, it's a madness. It's a cool one when we've been through sadness. Two-step when I dance to the baddest. Looking at man like you wish you had this. Can't catch this, can't match this. Light up the world like a matchstick. Flames too hot, can't hack this. Life is a mission, it's a madness.
the lights go down, the bass drops low. You pull me close and don't let go. You got time, so give your all. You got tonight, so let me know.
Music moving, check these two. One for me and one for you. Right or left, who you choosing? Brown hair, blue eyes, the one that I'm moving. Oh, she grooving. Big thighs, nice eyes, curly hair, call my eye from over there.
Right, Jazz, give it up for Bronnie!
What is up, you guys? Manchester, I am so stoked. Okay, I have one question. Who here is a social reject? Let's go!
A trip for social rejects. The kids are knocking at your door. You gotta keep the dirty little secrets. What? You wanted more? Manchester, let me hear you scream! We don't need to be bossed around and show us who we wanna be. We may be fucked up and immature, a social casualty, but we're taking over one step at a time. You may not understand us, but I'm sure you will. I'm having a good time. Let's go! Let's check with social rejects. The kids are knocking at your door. You gotta keep the dirty little secret. Let me see your hands, guys. We are social rejects. You can see we're the worst deals to do. We're not prepared. We will never forget. We're so.
She said, are you here to stay for the long ride? I didn't know how to speak from my mind every time. Why did you have to be so mean with our situation? She didn't give me enough time. At first I was very hesitant. Now I wish I said the 3 words that I meant. overnight. With all the things I should have done, didn't do it right. I never change my clothes, cause they're comfy, don't judge me. I'm trying to figure out who I am. I switch between friends and I'm self-serving. Or I'm at home living with my parents. And I know I get on the nerves, but it's more than worth it. And I'm like, no, I'm a little bit broke. Not paying rent, just staying at home. My bank account is telling me no, I'm a bit of a joke. I wanna go back to my teens, when life is simple, no responsibilities. Back when I thought that money grew on trees, wish life could be free, but I'm still broke. Need the bills, my life is full of cheat thrills, I can't forget that. I need to find a quick buck, I wish I had my dream job, I really hate that. I sit around all day, thinking about expensive stuff that I would love, but I'm the only one who'd give a damn. Sing it! I'm so self-serving. I'm sick and tired, living like a servant. But when it starts to get on my nerves, I just know you're worth it. And I'm like, no, I'm a little bit broke. My paying rent, just staying at home. My bank account is telling me no, I'm a bit of a joke. I wanna go back to my teens, when life is simple, no responsibilities. Back when I thought that money grew on trees, wish life could be free, but I'm still broke. Yeah, I'm still broke. Yeah. We may be broke, but we're chillin'. Stupid with I spend my money. We may be broke, but we're chillin'. Stupid with I spend my money. I don't really care for how long. If I worry, our moms we'll be back when we want. Cause people say that I'm caught up in my own world. Come and see it for yourself, oh. And I know it'll take some getting used to. Figure it out, yeah, we'll figure it out. So let's catch a flight to Mars. Park up backseat in my car. We can watch this world from afar. It feels like we could float it forever. There were times that were tough, so let's talk about the times that we lost. I couldn't stress this enough. So let's catch a flight to Mars. Got my heart at your fingertips, so let's move to Mars, plant flowers, and have some kids at the time of our lives, flying up in the sky, So let's leave tonight. To Mars.
Sorry. Stop it, you flirt. Stop it, mate.
What was that? No foul? It's not football. That was a crap joke. You didn't have to laugh at that one, honestly. No. Now this next song, I'm not gonna lie, in true Brooklyn fashion, I did mess up the release date for this song, yeah, Rich Girls. And instead of the 13th, the Friday 13th of this month, it's the 14th now. So I'm so glad I'm not there, if I'm honest. You only buy things for Insta. Oh my God, quick take a picture. Girl, put your fucking phone away. Every photo of you looks the same. So stop the complaints. So you're one of those rich girls in your own world. You don't mind taking up all my time. So baby, listen. Yeah, you switched up on me, but I'm not that bad. There's no reason and no point scanning through the eye. Can you see by my face? I'm embarrassed for you with the things you say. Your ego needs to change. Oh, those rich girls in your own world. You don't mind taking up all of my time. So baby, listen. Yeah, you switched up on me, but I'm not that blind. I know you live a fake ass life. Do you miss me up and now that I've gone? You can enjoy those that staying in all alone. Cause all you care about is your lights and your phone. I hope you find yourself to being fake like you do now. You're so fake, baby. Rich girls in your own world. You don't mind taking up all of my time. So baby, listen. You switched up on me, but I'm not that blind. You know you live a fake ass life. Thank you. Well, my voice is going. Thank you so much. Thank you guys, honestly, thank you for coming out tonight. Honestly, it's amazing seeing all of you again. Unfortunately, sorry, I'm embarrassed myself. I'm just gonna leave you. You said when I signed your place while you was washing your hair, I didn't wanna come inside. You seemed a little bit scared. You thought about a reputation. Sing it! And you're not the night they think I'm fine. It's in every night your nation. Cause deep down I know I'm a good man. You see I got a boyfriend. I got a girlfriend, that's no lie. It's not a boyfriend. And that's when you told me on your back. You said no, 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 no. No, 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 no. And you said no, 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 no. No, 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 no. And you said let's have sex. Dinner about 8:10, yeah. Have sex, baby. Won't take no for an answer, so it's you, me, and my friend. Cause I got a reputation. Your brother and sister think I'm bad, but it's an amalgamation of things in my past that just went bad. Sing it! I got a girlfriend, that's no lie. Cause I want a toy friend. And that's when you told me I'm your bike. And you said no, 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 no. No, 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 no. And you said no, 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 no. And you said
Manchester, I told you we had a surprise for you. What do you think of that? You know what? We came up with this idea, right? Brooke came to my house last night about midnight. And we went, should we do no tomorrow?
Mikey.
Stop it. Stop it. We'll crack out, take the zone in a minute. You know what? That was really fun. And we wanted to do that. And we're going to be doing something at every single tour date that we do for the rest of the Make Some Noise tour. So if you want coming to any of the other tour dates, and stay prepared and tuned. Because you were loud as anything. I can't swear. You were really loud. You know what? I want to reintroduce every single actor that was here today. And we want... Oh, and Brooklyn! Hello. Oh, yeah. Lovely to see you. Thank you so much.
See you later, Mum. See you later. Nan!
Over 21.
72.
No. No way. No. You got Clary. No, I know you get Clary. Same journey.
Thank you.
I've got that very
Glad you guys. What's your name?
Right, yeah. First time I've used this. That's it.
Oh, thank you so much. I saw you. Were you in the front? In the front? Yeah, I saw you jumping along. I was like, yes, she's got the vibe. She's got the vibe. She's so lovely. Yeah, literally.
Okay.
Baby! That's lovely. Oh, lovely.
Looking way nice.
You heard about it, right? Yeah.
Much King driven. Right. What? It's King's ain't that.
That's lovely.
Vloggerine.
Okay, nothing new here, but I forgot to film an outro to my vlog, so I'm an outro right now. Yeah, Manchester was amazing. And apologies for not recording the start of Brooke's performance and missing like Bronnie's performance. I may have kind of passed out and had to go outside, and I missed like the first song of Brooke's, which, well, and like it was kind of annoying, but oh well, it is what it is. And I didn't record anything in VIP because the lighting was absolutely shocking. It was so bad. But I bought meet and greet tickets, and I had like the best time of meet and greet, as VIP was so rushed this date. So yeah, you can see like that at the end, just some cute content. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more vlogs of me going to concerts, which I'll be going to Sheffield tomorrow, because this vlog's coming out on Saturday, which I apologize for being late, but I wanted to add Brooke's new song in, and I didn't want to leak it before it came out. And what else was I was gonna say something. And yeah, I've also been really busy, so I haven't had time to edit it. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and comment down below anything you want to ask. And yeah, follow my social medias for like meet and greet pictures and stuff and content. Peace.